Explain how the projector assembles the lens. Upon receiving the machine, find a level surface to set up the projector. Remove the protective cover. Locate the lens. When handling the lens, avoid touching its surface. Insert the lens vertically into the projector. Slowly rotate the lens clockwise until it can't be turned further, indicating that the lens is securely installed. Return the projector to a horizontal position. Supply power to the projector. Then, power on the device and observe the projector's performance. After powering on, you will see an orange indicator light when the projector is in standby mode. Press the power button, and you will see blue and green indicator lights remain on. Once powered on, press the menu button to adjust the projector's focus. To achieve the clearest image, rotate the lens until the picture is at its sharpest. The projector also supports lens shift adjustment. It's best to adjust the projection image to be centered, as moving it to the extreme edges may block the light source in the upper left corner. Finally, let's take a look at the menu settings. The menu settings have been pre-adjusted by our technicians before shipping, so you don't need to make any adjustments.